Did you know that with VRay 7.2, we can enhance our renders and even increase their resolution for free? And the best part is, we no longer need to master highly complex settings or spend hours waiting for heavy render times. Here's how it works. First, make sure your render engine is set to VRay 7.2. Now, in the Render Elements tab, click Add and choose an element of type VRay Enhanced Data. Next, open the frame buffer window and run a quick test render of your project. It doesn't matter whether you're rendering with the progressive method or the bucket method, both work just fine. Wait until the render finishes. Now, click on the new Enhance Image tool. This window opens up, and we choose Upload File, so our render is sent to Chaos Cloud. Click Open in Cloud, and the browser takes us to the website. Here, we can even see the renders we've previously enhanced. I'll click on the new render to view it in full screen, and then hit the Enhance button. The enhancement process takes a little time, so let's wait until it finishes. Now you can see the enhanced version of the render. From here, I can load it into VFB1 as my main version. We can even open the menu and enable Compare Versions, which lets us directly compare the original render with the enhanced one side by side. Notice how much more detail is visible now, on the characters, their faces, their clothing, as well as in the textures, materials, vegetation, and the overall environment. Finally, I'll go back in Under Settings, download the enhanced image in its final high-quality form. For more tutorials on 3ds Max and VRay, make sure to follow our YouTube channel.